Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market, we are in the green and there is not much things slowing us down as we're getting closer and closer to the Bitcoin halving event. Now, if we talk about Dogecoin specifically, you can see that right now it is just trying to consolidate while the whole market is going into the green trend. But if we talk about the trading volume, it is still well above the $2.5 billion mark. On the other end, the trading volume is helping the open interest get some positive numbers for the last 24 hours. Can Doge flip Ripple very soon? And at the same time, Elon is doing some interesting things. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. Just help the YouTube algorithm push the video out to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it. We get more social engagement, and the whale activity goes up, the price goes up, and we all make a lot of profit. Now right now I just want to show you guys something interesting. So this is Dogecoin, this is SHIB, and you can also see that this is with Bonk. Now you can see that other than with, everything is just trying to consolidate when it comes to the meme tokens, because right now the market is in a really interesting state. So just making sure that we can sustain the same price is an important thing for all of the crypto market right now, and specifically meme tokens, because people get very scared very quickly and start taking money out. So we do not want to see downtrend. Now, if we talk about what Dogecoin has been doing in the last 24 hours, you can see it's slowly actually creeping up to XRP and USDC's market cap. I mean, at one point we were in the dead middle of Cardano and USDC, but now we're clearly getting much closer to USDC, just 3 billion. That's another 10% day. We hit 23 cents for Doge, and the market will be hitting all the way to the 5th slot. Now, if we talk about the open interest, yesterday it was up about 15%, and today it is still in the green while the whole market is still trying to buy more. 6% increase, 1.4 billion open interest is kind of incredible. Now if we talk about the long to the short ratio, you can see slowly it is starting to favor the sell or the short positions, as it has increased from the 25% to 31%. Now, does this mean this is a negative trend? And the answer is no, because there is a lot of whales which are still trying to hold on to the price as much as possible. Now, can Dogecoin flip Ripple? I mean, the rate at which we're going and how positive the community has been recently, you guys can see in the last 24 hours, over 3 million worth of Doge shorts have been liquidated. According to the majority of the liquidation position, according to the data from the COINBASE, Dogecoin has also generated 2 billion in trading volume, and there is just so much momentum around Dogecoin. The price going up is going to happen. Now, if we talk about something interesting, you guys know that Elon did not want to work with the Brazil government to try to introduce new court laws and things inside of Twitter. So the freedom of speech in Brazil would be a little bit suppressed. Now, Elon did not want to agree with that, and we talked about this. Him not agreeing with that, when X tries to get some sort of license, or X Payments tries to get their license, that's going to be a really negative impact, because in Brazil they're going to have a lot of problems. What kind of impact will it have on Dogecoin? But what is really important is, you guys can see I'm sticking to my principles. As for any fake groups who seek to compress free speech, they should remember that karma is real, and that was actually said by our boy X, or Twitter, and Elon at the same time. And Doge designer tweeted that out, and Elon actually retweeted that. Now that should give you perspective that Doge designer and Elon are still sticking very close to each other. Now if we talk about the price action, you guys can see right now we are a little bit above the 20 cent zone, and you can see that when we did get rejected close to 21 because some people decided to take profit, we did still use 20 cents as a support. Now this support has caused us to try to stay above it and make sure we consolidate in the time that the Dogecoin market starts heading into a little bit of an uptrend. I do want to mention, staying above the 20 cent mark right now is one of the key information or key priorities of the Dogecoin army. If you're going to be panic selling, let's just say you're going to be making a huge mistake, because there are some really important news data that will be coming out very soon when it comes to US, and that's on the 10th of April, just about 24 to 48 hours away, and that's going to cause the whole crypto market and just every market in general to have a really crazy momentum. And what is that momentum going to build? A lot of positive trend on crypto if inflation goes our way. Now, Dogecoin is officially in its 4th week above the PI cycle top band. If we go off history, an aggressive move higher is the card for the short term, keeping a close eye. Well, just keep in mind, 15th of April has been a really good time for Doge in the past, and the 15th of April is not very far, only 6 days away. If everything goes as planned, and the PI cycle top band is also suggesting that we might be seeing a really crazy growth from Doge in the next 10 days. Made the expected move to resistance, we either break or consolidate and break up later in the week. I mean, at the rate we're going, most likely the later in the week will be coming a lot quicker. Now, the break of 23 cents will push the price to 35 cents very quickly. I mean, just keep in mind, breaking 23 cents has been one of the crucial things that the Dogecoin army has been trying to do. I mean, even previously, you guys can see we did actually, let's just say, did get rejected around the same zone couple of times. If we're able to break above that zone, 35 cents will be a lot closer than expected. Dogecoin price trends and prediction. Now, right now, the prediction is actually really hard to do, because if we're just able to consolidate, honestly, the rate at which we're going to be going up is going to be so quick, any sort of predictions will be coming true. Honestly, I would not be surprised by the end of April if someone tells me that Dogecoin is at $1. At the rate we're moving, I personally feel like the chances of that happening are quite high. That's just my take on it. Now, Dogecoin sheep, sure, amid the Dogecoin's bull run, 100 billion market cap next. Which one's going to be hitting it first? Well, Doge is actually not very far. If we make it to 100 billion, then it's going to be sitting at a price of about 60 to 65 cents, which I'm very certain a lot of you guys will be very happy to see. Crypto VC sees a new class of profitable meme coins this cycle. Memes are starting to take over, and commodities, if it gets certified what Coinbase is trying to do with Dogecoin, that's obviously going to help the Dogecoin price in a very significant way. A new cycle of meme coins, you could consider all the meme coins as coins of culture. I mean, that is correct, because if you are able to just hold on to something you believe and a meme that is really funny and everyone is trying to be part of, well, let's just say there's not much things that slow it down. And 3 cryptos you should must have right now, and that one of them being Dogecoin. Honestly, there's just so much upside yet to happen. You just need to be a little patient. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon.